Italian cuisine is celebrated for its simplicity. It emphasizes the use of fresh, high-quality ingredients. Core principles involve highlighting natural flavors. Regional variations contribute to its diversity. Seasonality plays a crucial role in ingredient selection. Fresh pasta forms the base for numerous Italian culinary creations. The initial step involves preparing the pasta dough from its basic components. The essential ingredients for fresh pasta dough are flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients are combined to create a homogeneous mixture. The dough is then kneaded to develop gluten, providing structure and elasticity. After kneading, the dough rests before being shaped into various pasta forms. After preparing the pasta dough, the next step is to roll it out. The dough should be rolled to the ideal thickness. Once rolled, the dough can be cut into various shapes. Common pasta shapes include fettuccine, spaghetti, and tagliatelle. Different pasta shapes are best suited for different types of sauces. The choice of pasta shape can enhance the overall dining experience. Marinara sauce is a fundamental tomato-based sauce in many cuisines. The key ingredients include ripe tomatoes, garlic, basil, and olive oil. The preparation involves simmering these ingredients together. Simmering allows the flavors to meld, creating a rich taste. The result is a versatile sauce suitable for various dishes. Alfredo sauce is a rich sauce made from butter, Parmesan cheese, and heavy cream. The key to a great Alfredo sauce is the emulsification of these ingredients. Emulsification results in a smooth, velvety texture. Proper emulsification prevents the sauce from separating or becoming grainy. Heat control and constant stirring are crucial for successful emulsification. The final product should be a creamy, consistent sauce coating the pasta evenly. Pesto Genovese is a bright green sauce originating from Genoa. The key ingredient is fresh basil, providing the sauce's distinctive flavor and color. Additional ingredients include pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and pecorino cheese. Olive oil binds the ingredients together, creating a smooth and emulsified sauce. Traditionally, pesto is made by grinding all ingredients together using a mortar and pestle. Lasagna bolognese is a layered pasta dish. It features bolognese sauce, a meat-based sauce originating from Bologna, Italy. Bechamel sauce, a creamy white sauce, is another key component. Parmesan cheese is generously used for flavor and texture. The dish is assembled layer by layer with pasta sheets, bolognese, bechamel, and Parmesan. This layering process is repeated to create a rich and flavorful baked pasta. Risotto is a creamy rice dish made with arborio rice. The preparation involves gradually adding broth to the rice. Continuous stirring is essential throughout the cooking process. This technique is crucial for achieving the signature creamy texture of risotto. Pizza dough is fundamentally composed of flour, water, yeast, salt, and olive oil. The initial step involves combining these ingredients to form a cohesive dough. Kneading is essential for developing the gluten in the flour. Proper kneading results in a dough that is smooth and elastic. Proofing allows the yeast to ferment, producing carbon dioxide. This process makes the dough rise, creating a light and airy crust. Margherita pizza is a traditional Neapolitan pizza known for its simple yet flavorful composition. It features a base of tomato sauce, providing a rich and tangy foundation. Fresh mozzarella cheese is then added, offering a creamy and mild contrast to the sauce. The pizza is finished with fresh basil leaves, adding an aromatic and slightly peppery note. The combination of these ingredients represents the colors of the Italian flag. This symbolic representation and the pizza's delicious taste have made it a classic dish worldwide. Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored dessert originating from Italy. It features ladyfingers, also known as savoiardi, as a primary component. These ladyfingers are traditionally dipped in coffee to infuse them with flavor. The dessert is layered with mascarpone cheese and finished with a dusting of cocoa powder. Cannoli are traditional Sicilian pastries. They consist of tube-shaped shells. The shells are made of fried pastry dough. These shells are filled with a sweet, creamy filling. The filling typically includes ricotta cheese. Cannoli are a signature dessert of Sicilian cuisine. Osso buco is a specialty dish originating from Milan, Italy. The primary ingredient is veal shanks, which are braised until tender. Traditionally, osso buco alla milanese is served with gremolata. Gremolata is a garnish made from lemon zest, garlic, and parsley. Minestrone is a traditional Italian soup. It is characterized as a thick, hearty vegetable soup. Minestrone often contains pasta or rice as key ingredients. Recipes vary by region and according to the season's available vegetables. Bruschetta al pomodoro is a classic Italian appetizer. It features grilled bread as its base. The topping consists of fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. Olive oil is drizzled over the ingredients to enhance the flavors. The dish is known for its simplicity and fresh ingredients. Arancini are a traditional Sicilian dish. The dish consists of rice balls that are stuffed with various fillings. The stuffed rice balls are then coated in breadcrumbs. The breaded rice balls are deep fried. They are fried until they achieve a golden brown color and crispy texture. Polenta is a dish primarily made from boiled cornmeal. The cornmeal is cooked in water or broth until it reaches a desired consistency. Polenta can be served immediately as a creamy dish, similar to porridge. Alternatively, it can be left to cool and set into a firm block. Once set, the polenta can be grilled or fried for a different texture and flavor. Gnocchi are small, soft dumplings, a staple in Italian cuisine. The primary ingredient in gnocchi is typically potatoes. Flour is added to bind the potatoes and create the dumpling structure. Some variations of gnocchi also include ricotta cheese for added richness and flavor. Carbonara is a pasta dish originating from Rome. The dish is traditionally made with eggs. Pecorino Romano cheese is a key ingredient. Guanciale, or cured pork cheek, is also essential. Black pepper is added to complete the flavor profile. Ragu Bolognese is a meat-based sauce. It originates from Bologna, Italy. It is traditionally served with tagliatelle pasta. The sauce is known for its rich and savory flavor. Panna cotta is an Italian dessert known for its creamy texture. The name panna cotta translates to cooked cream in Italian. It is made by gently cooking cream, sugar, and a flavoring agent. Gelatin is added as a thickening agent, giving it a soft, delicate set. Vanilla extract is a common flavoring, but other extracts can be used. The dessert is typically served chilled and unmolded. Focaccia is a flat, oven-baked Italian bread. Its style and texture are similar to pizza dough. Focaccia is typically seasoned with herbs. Olive oil is also a common seasoning. The bread is known for its relatively flat shape. It is a staple in Italian cuisine. Ribollita is a traditional Tuscan soup known for its hearty and rustic character. The primary ingredients of ribollita include bread, beans, and an assortment of vegetables. A key characteristic of ribollita is the use of leftover bread, making it a resourceful dish. The combination of bread, beans, and vegetables creates a filling and nutritious meal. Ribollita exemplifies Tuscan cuisine's emphasis on simple, wholesome ingredients and flavors. Spaghetti aglio e olio is a straightforward pasta dish. The dish is characterized by its simplicity and minimal ingredients. Key ingredients include garlic, olive oil, and red pepper flakes. Parsley is also a primary ingredient. These components combine to create a flavorful and quick meal. The dish is appreciated for its ease of preparation and satisfying taste. Saltimbocca is a classic Italian dish known for its simple yet flavorful ingredients. The primary component of saltimbocca is veal, typically thin cutlets. Prosciutto, a dry cured ham, is layered on top of the veal. Fresh sage leaves are added for their aromatic and peppery flavor. The veal is marinated briefly in wine to tenderize and enhance its taste. Finally, the saltimbocca is pan-fried until the veal is cooked and the prosciutto is slightly crispy.